Welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my whole upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of gold futures in different time frames. But before we dive in, I would like to discuss some political developments on various fronts that can impact the movements of gold futures during the upcoming weeks. Since a new shift in the US-China trade negotiations, investors eye the success of this deal, which is supposed to end this weekend. Undoubtedly, the investors remain indecisive to remain invested in the yellow metal or to come out quickly or put some more money even at such higher levels where the gold has lost its safe haven potential while the other safe havens are available amid surging instability at the global level due to the tempting impacts of the reciprocal trade tariffs imposed by the US President Donald Trump. Last week, gold futures continued to face stiff resistance despite a bullish attempt to test the next significant resistance and finally closed the week at the levels of $3357, resulting in the formation of a bearish doji in a monthly chart, which I will show you very shortly. So here you can see that how the gold futures are facing stiff resistance in a daily time frame. So here you can see that how the 9 days moving average is going to bypass the 20 days moving average, and here I find that if the gold futures start the upcoming week with a gap down opening, I find that this exhaustion will continue during the upcoming weeks because here an important event has occurred with a tweet from the Russian President Mr. Putin, who has invited Ukraine for a ceasefire which is going to start on May 12th. So this news looks evident enough to start an exhaustion in the gold futures where a breakdown by the gold futures below the next support at the levels of $3271 will confirm a slide to continue to test the next support at the levels of $3210, and here I find that if the gold futures are not able to sustain above this important support, we'll see this move to continue to test the next support at the 50 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of $3131 during the upcoming week. So this slide could be steeper than ever before. So now let us check this move in a weekly time frame. So here in a weekly time frame, here you can see the formation of an exhaustive candle. So here I find that if the gold futures start the upcoming week well below the levels of $3273, we'll see the slide to continue during the upcoming week where the next support can be tested at the levels of $3210, and here find a breakdown below this significant support could keep this slide intact during the upcoming weeks. Undoubtedly, a breakdown below the levels of $3189 will result in a sharp selling up to the next support at the levels of $2965 this month. So now let us check this move in a monthly time frame. So here in a monthly time frame, you can see that how the formation of this bearish doji in a monthly time frame looks evident enough to continue this exhaustion during the upcoming weeks, because this is a massive bearish indication that could result in a slide during the month of May where the gold could retest the significant support at the levels of $2944 up to the end of this month. So here I find that the gold futures could test the significant support at the levels of $2949 during the month of June 2025. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.